In the northeastern Indian state of Manipur, a significant refugee crisis has unfolded. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren Singh reported that around 6,000 individuals from Myanmar have sought refuge after violence broke out in the neighboring country. The influx of refugees is a direct consequence of the violence and military coup in Myanmar, which has led to widespread unrest and the displacement of civilians. The refugees began crossing to Manipur seeking safety after a military coup in Myanmar in 2021. However, their quest for peace was met with further turmoil as they found themselves caught amid ethnic conflicts between the Kukis and Meiteis in Manipur that erupted in May. This violence has resulted in significant casualties and displacement within the state, exacerbating the challenges faced by the incoming refugees. Chief Minister Biren Singh has acknowledged the humanitarian imperative to provide shelter and food to those fleeing the conflict in Myanmar. Despite these, he has also expressed concern about the potential for the illegal settlements and the need for proactive security measures, including biometric systems, to manage the situation effectively.